channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to go ahead and create nice looking mockups, all right, for your design, and you can go ahead and share them on Behance and Dribble depending on the particular platform you want to make use of. All right, you can create nice looking mockups just like all these ones you're actually seeing right here. Right, they are very easy, and you can actually go ahead and design them on Figma. You can design them on Figma yourself. Let's say, for example, I want to design something like this. All right, I want to design something like this. All I just have to do is to create a new frame, and I'm going to come to social media, then come to Dribble Shots HD. Then I'm going to create it. This is right here. Then I'll click on this file, this particular file. Let's say I want to go ahead and mock this up. I'll select this, then come to export. Sorry, instead of exporting it out and bringing it in again, I'll just come right here, copy as PNG. Then it's copied already, so I don't have to go ahead and start doing all that. So I'll just zoom this, I'll just reduce the size, then drag it into the file. Then the next thing I'll do is to resize it. I'll resize it a little bit. Then I will create something like this. I'll just try and slant it to look something like this. All right, so I'll just do that real quick like this. Then I resize it a little bit. All right, I'll resize it a little bit just like this, and you can see right here I've been able to do this particular design. All right, I've been able to design a particular design. So as you can see, this is white. I can also change the color if you wish. You can change the color if you wish. I can make use of yellow. I can make use of any color I want to make use of in this design. And if I want to make use of dark, I can make use of dark color. I can make use of any color. And that's it, guys. So you've been able to create your own mockup. All right, but yes, guys, I'm going to show you another platform that is going to help you make all this process really easy, okay, seamlessly, without having to stress yourself. What I'm going to do is to export this to 3x because I want this image to be clear, and this platform is going to help you create lovely mockup for mobile phones and every single thing. And I think this platform is still new. This is Shots.so. So if you come to Shots.so, I actually discovered this platform. I stumbled on it. As you can see right here, this is it. You don't have to log in on the platform. You just come to Shots.so, then you drag your image. You can drag your image, or you can select the image and you put it in, and it's just going to paste or import that image for you. So as you can see right here, this is it. I've imported this image, and let's run through the Shots.so so I can explain certain things to you. All right, so as you can see, this is Shots.so. So you can actually click on any of these side panels. You can screw on the right hand panels to select any design you want. You want it to be like this, you want it to be like this, you want it to be like this, you want it to be like this. Don't worry, you can also change the background color. I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. And you can see I can make it like this, I can make it like this, anyhow I want to make it up. I can also stack it using styles. I can stack it. I can make it a retro. I can make use of border. I can make use of glass. I can make use of glass dark. I can reduce the border. I can reduce the border radius. I can make it. I want it to be curved. I want it to be circle, depending on what I want. I'll just leave it as curve. And I can also add shadow. I can also change this as it's like this. I can also change it from this to this. I can say I want it to be like this. I can say I want it to be like this. I want it to be like this. I want it to be like this. And yeah, I want to make it. I'll leave it in the middle. All right. So the next thing I want to do is I can change the background color. You might not like this background color. What you want to do is to come to this frame section. But before that, let's talk about how you can also go ahead and do it for mobile phones. All right, by coming to clicking on this same section. Then if you scroll down, you're going to see mobile phones. You see devices. Select the particular device you want to make use of. All right, so you select the particular device and you import it. But before we come to that, let's quickly get this one done. So let's come to frames. So as you can see, this is frames. So you can see actually you can change the color. It's actually using a gradient color, but I can change this to dark. I can change this to any color I want to make use of. I think I like this color. I can make use of this color. Then I can scroll down. I can also make use of vintage color. I can make use of holographic gradients. I can make use of mesh color. I can make use of abstracts. You can see these are nice abstracts, and there are so many other abstracts. You can see so many abstracts right here. All right, so this is going to create a nice looking design for you, right? Nice mockups for you to make use of in your on your portfolio, right? And this is really a plus for you. All right, this is a plus for you when it comes to presenting your designs, right? So I can leave it anyhow. I can actually select anyone I prefer. Okay, I think I love this, but if I'm using this, if I'm using the retro, I think I'll go for maybe I'll go for a gradient, something. I'll go for a gradient, or maybe I'll go for a plain color, something like this. And I think you can also change your border. I think you can change the border color. All right, so you can actually go ahead and play around with this tool. You can also change the frame size. If you want to create the one for Instagram, you can do that right here. If you want to create the one for YouTube Shorts and co, you can actually do all of them right here. All right, so you can see so many colors. You can change the colors, and boom. So you can also, I can change it, and this is it guys on how to go ahead and create mockup. So once you're done, you can go ahead and download it, and once you download it, you can see it's it's exporting right now, and in seconds it's going to download into my laptop, and I can go ahead and upload it on my Behance portfolio. All right, so once it's while it's still exporting, I can come to the upload section and click on upload section right here on Dribble, and boom, it's exported already. So once I'm on this Behance section, I can drag this into the Behance upload section. All right, so let's try that real quick. Put this into the design, into this section. So as you can see right here, boom, I've been able to export this nice looking design. And this is the mockup guys. This is it. This is how you can actually go ahead and create nice beautiful mockups, all right, for your design. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you actually enjoyed the video and you got value from it, kindly share it with your friends, and also drop a comment in the comment section if you have something you want to learn. And also guys, our UI UX course is still out there. You can actually go ahead and purchase the UI UX course if you are actually new to product design and you wish to learn product design. All right, and you can also join our design community. The link to join our design community is actually in the description below, so you can join our Telegram design community. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now, and see you guys in another video.